Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2021 21 plate Land Rover Defender. Now this is a 90 model. It's an X-Dynamic HSE. X-Dynamic meaning you get all the exterior body styling, nice gloss black body kit. HSE gives you all the specification inside, so you get all the spec, which I'll show you through in just a moment. So this vehicle finished in Santorini Black Metallic. We've got X-Dynamic badging all throughout. Front and rear parking sensors, full 360 cameras on this one as well, being the HSE. We've got the grand black lettering all throughout the vehicle. We've got the nice black detailing, so on the bonnet, on the wings, on your window surrounds. We've even got the black side steps on this one as well. 5-spoke alloy wheels, those are 20-inch, riding on lovely Scorpion Pirelli Zero tyres. We've got privacy glass to the back. Interior wise, a lot of these come with black on black. This is a very, very nice contrast. We've got the lighter dual tone leather interior on this one. So as you can tell, everything's in fantastic order. These are heated front seats. Coming through to the back then, you've got central armrest, Isofix in the bottom there, loads of leg space. You've got rear cup holders, rear vents, so you get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning. You've got all your charging there as well. Fully adjustable seats, fully adjustable mirrors. These are 3-way memory sport seats for the driver and the passenger, meaning you can be driver 1, your partner can be driver 2. Press of a button, that will fully adjust the seat, mirrors and the steering wheel to exactly where you want it. So we've got an electric steering column, electric mirrors, park folding, Meridian surround sound system, Defender kick plates there at the bottom. Jumping inside, leather multifunction steering wheel, which is heated. You've got all the buttons on there. We've got the virtual cockpit on this one as well, so the display up ahead. So you've got your satellite navigation up on there at the moment. You can change the layout, so if you want a full map as you're driving along, nice and easy to follow, you can do that. You've got all your vehicle settings, you've got all your media, all your trip information, that's all found up on there. Now, as we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 15,805 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. HSEs get the bigger screen then, so this is what you find in the newer Range Rover Sports and the Range Rover itself. So looking at through the screen, we've got satellite navigation, obviously Bluetooth phone, you've got your media, which is a full DAB, so you've got all the extended channels. You've got your weather, you've got your slope assistance, you've got your compass on there, wheel information, weight sensing and energy impact. If you go through to the main menu, you'll find your cameras there, so if we were to flick the car into reverse, all your 360 cams engage. You've got valet mode, 4x4 information, Alexa, weather, park and pay, low traction launch if you were to ever get stuck. Dual zone climate control, heated front screen, obviously adjustable suspension which you can raise and lower. USB Type-C, USB and a 12-volt power outlet input. We've got central cup holders, quite a bit of storage within there as well. Meridian surround sound. We've got a full panoramic glass roof. Now this is a tilting roof as well, so you can get some fresh air flowing through the cabin. We've got the Alpine lights at the top there also. And then lastly, just before we finish the video, we'll have a quick look at the boot. So as you can tell, front driver's mats are in there, parcel shelf, split folding rear seats. Obviously being on air suspension, you can heighten and lower this back end, easier to load things in. We've got a 12-volt power outlet in the back there as well. Locking wheel nut and all the kit in the back there. Warning triangles just in the door card. But a lovely thing. So if you want any more information on this vehicle, please do get in touch. Got some fantastic finance, options on these cars. If you've got a Part X, please do get in touch. We can get you a price on that. So you can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.